So we had studied till 119th Sutra. So we were studying the Hari Shabda and we declined it till 2.3 Hari Yukta. So we'll move ahead with so 3.1 Hari Yukta. Hari Yukta. So this Sutra 128 says Haritashtana Nat Lakshmyam. That after a Hari Shabda, so when we say Hari, that doesn't just mean the word Hari, but Hari is a Sangya definition here. So I Uramanto Hari Sangya. All the words ending with Vamana E or Vamana U are called Hari Shabdas. So after such Hari Shabdas, Ta is replaced by Na, but not in the Lakshmi Linga, not in the feminine gender. So applying this, Hari Yukta Ta is replaced by Na, we combine them, and then we apply 111th Sutra, which says Ra, Sha, Hridvibhyo Nasinaha, Sarveshwaraha, Yavaka, Varga, Vyavdhanyapi, Saman, Vishnupadena, Vishnupadantyasya, Vishnupadadyantasya. Yes. So we get Harina. Harina. Yeah. Then Haribhyam, we do nothing here, just Vishnu Bhakti Siddham Vishnupadam. Hari Yuktbhis, Haribhis, and then Sara Ramayor, Vishnu Sargo Vishnu Padante, Haribhi. Then Hari Yukta Ngi. Okay, what is Vrishni Sangya?
Nito Vrishni Sangya.
Nito Vrishni Sangya. So any pratyaya which has the indicator letter Ng is called a Vrishni. So in this case, Ng is a Vrishni. So we apply 119th Sutra here, which says Harir Govindo Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. That when a Vrishni pratyaya is following, then we apply Govinda. So the Irama becomes A, because the definition of Govinda is Idvayasya A, Udvayasya O, Hridvayasya Ar, Lidvayasya Al, Govinda Sangya. So we make it Govinda, Hare, and then AI becomes Haraye. Hari Haraye. So Haraye. Then Haribhyam, Haribhyaha till 4.3. Then (5.1) Hari Yukta Nasi. Hari Yukta Nasi. Now Nasi is also Vrishni. So we apply Harir Govinda Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. So we get this. Hare Yukta As. Removing the indicator letters, of course. Now here we have a sutra. We won't apply AI here. Rather, we have a different sutra here. Eobhyam Nasi Nasora Rama Haraha. Which means that after A or O, the A Rama of Nasi and Nas is deleted. So here we have A Rama, and following it is the A of Us. So we delete this A, which belongs to this Nasi. So we get Hare Yukta Sa, we combine them, Vishnu Bhakti Siddham Vishnu Padam, and then Sara Ramayor Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante. So Hare. Yeah, we get Hare. Then Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. 6.1 is also same like 5.1. So Hari Yukt Nas. Then Harir Govinda Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. Govinda is done. Nas is there. Then we delete of us by A Obhyam Nasingasor Aravahara, the current sutra, 121. We delete and then we combine them. Then Sararami Vishnu Sarva Vishnu Padante. Hare, same. Harir. Yeah, even we say na this Hare Nama. So then we apply Raishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo and we get Harir Nama. Of course it is. Yeah, Harir. Oops, something wrong. Yeah, we get Harir Nama. So this is the same 6.1. The name of Hari. Harir Nama. Then 6.2 Hari Os. We just do nothing here except for applying Sandhi Sutra, which is Idvameva Yaha Sarveshwari in this case. So we get Harios, E becomes Ya, and then Sararami or Vishnu Sarva Vishnu Vedante. So Haryo. Then 6.3. So we had one sutra, Vamana Gopi Radha Bhyo Nut Ami. That after Vamana Akshara, if Am is following, then we insert Nut. So Hari ends with the Vamana Akshara Irama. So we insert Nut here. And Tidagama Parasamandhi. So Nut will join Am. So it will be Hari Yukta Nam. And then we had one more sutra before, Vamanasya Trivikramo Nami, Drishabdasya Tuva Natisrichatisroho. That when Nam is following, then the Vamana becomes Trivikrama. Thus, it will become Hari Yukta Nam. We can combine them. And then we apply 111th sutra, which is Ra Sha Ridvibhyo Nasinaha Sarveshwara Yavaka Varga Bhavarga Vidhanepi Ityadi. So we make it Na. So Harina. Harina. Okay. Yes, Prabhuji.
So in the Harer Nama, we don't apply that Rasha Ridvepyo because it's not a Samana Vishnupada. Is that the right understanding?
Yes, because Harer is one Vishnupada and Nama is different. So you're right.
Okay, thank you.
Then 7.1 Hari, the pratyay is Ni here. So we have a sutra here which says Harito Ngir Ouch. Harito Ngir Ouch. After a Hari Shabda, Ni. Ni is replaced by Ouch, where Cha is an indicator letter. So applying this 122, after this Hari Shabda, Ni is replaced by Ouch. Now here, there is one more thing coming up, which is, this is a Sangya Sutra. Antya Sarveshwaradi Varna Sansara Sangya. So this Sangya is called Sansara, which means the last Varnas, letters beginning with the final Sarveshwara are called Sansara. Beginning with the final Sarveshwara, so are called Sansara. For example, like in Hari, what is the final Sarveshwara? It is E. And there is nothing else after that. So it's just E here. So this E is a Sansara here. If let's say I take a word, a name, let's say Param. So in this one, the final Sarveshwara is A plus the following letter, which is Ma. So this A and ma together. So they are sansara here, sansar. So likewise, so this is called sansara. Antya sarveshwar adi varnaha sansara sanya. So what should we do when sansara, we have known what is sansara? So the sutra says the next one, sansara se haraschiti. The sansara gets deleted, is deleted when a pratyaya which has the indicatory letter cha follows. So now this sutra 124 is saying that when we have a pratyaya like ouch, which has cha rama as indicator letter, like we have it here, then we delete the sansara. Thus, we will delete the e rama and it will be haryukt au. And we combine them, Vishnu Bhakti Siddham Vishnu Padam. So we get harau. Harava bhaktasya, no? In Bhagavatam it is there. So it is harau abhaktasya, right? Harau abhaktasya, which becomes harav abhaktasya. Harava bhaktasya kutamaduna. So this is harau here. Okay. Then 7.2 is same as 6.2, Haryo, and then 7.3 is Hari Yukta Sup. And Hari, just nothing, we can just combine them and then apply Ishvara Hari Mitra 108 Shatva Vidhi. So we get Harishu. Harishu. And 8.1 Hari Yukta Su. Sambodhana is Surbuddha Sangya. So this Su is Sambodhana, which and is called Buddha. So Hare Govinda Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. That even when a Buddha is following, then also we do Govinda. So it will be Hare Yukta Suna. Then what do we do? Eo Vamanebhyo Buddhasya Darshanam. We did that, right? Sutra. Yeah, we did it. So earlier we did one sutra which said that after A Rama, O Rama, or after Vamana, Akshara, the Buddha gets deleted. 8.1. So this is A here, we delete Su, so we get Hare. We get Hare. Then 8.2 is same like 1.2, Hare Yukta O. So we did one sutra, Harita Au Purva Savarnaha. After the Hari Shabda, if Au is following, so Au will become the same Varna as the previous one. So it will be Hari Yukta E and the Shabdarik Atmake, so it becomes Hari. Then Hari Yukta Jas. So Hare Govinda Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. So when Jas is following, then also we do Govinda, right? So Hare Yukta As, and then I becomes Harayas, and Sararamya Vishnu Sarva Vishnu Padante Haraya. Haraya. So thus we complete the Hari Shabda. Let's make the table. So Hari, Hari, Haraya, Harim, Hari, Hari, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribhi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhya, Harihi, Haribhyam, Haribhya, Harihi, Haryo, Harinam, Harau, Haryo, Harishu. Then He Hare, so Hare, He Hari, He Hare. Okay. So now all the Hari Shabdas or Harivat Shabdas, like there are many words like Kavi, Ravi, so many of them. So they all have the same forms as of Hari. The same way of declension, the same forms. So
We also have a guru.
yeah, means I didn't say that purposefully. So
Oh, I see.
the Ira mantas. Yeah, so why don't you try just say any word, Vamana Ira manta in Purushottam Linga. Let's say Ravi. Ravi means the sun. So yeah, please decline this one completely, Ravi. Then the next is Hari Shabda, but there is a little difference in one declension. So the next one is Tri Shabda. In English, we say three. In Sanskrit, it is three. So quite similar. Three. So three yukta jas. Hare Govinda Jasi Vrishnisha Buddhecha. We do Govinda, AI. And then Sararamayor Vishnu Sargo Vishnu Padante. We get Trayaha. Then, okay, now three means three. Like, so it is only declined in Bahuvachana, not in Ekvachana, nor in Dvivachana. So it's only declined in Bahuvachana, so it's easy. So 1.3 is Trayaha, 2.3 Yukta Shas, Dashavatara Damshas or Aramaharaha, we delete of Shas. Then Dashavatara se Trivikrama Shasi Tasmat Sona Pumsi. So the E becomes Trivikrama and Sa changes to Na, so we get Teen. Then Triyuktubhis Tribhihi, Tribhyaha, Tribhyaha. Then 6.3. 6.3 is Triyukt Am. So here goes a sutra. Tres Trayo Nami Swarthe. The word three is replaced by Traya when Nam follows. So first of all, what we do is Vamana Gopi Radha Nami. We insert Nut. And then Vamana Tidagama Parasambandhi. So it is three Yukt Nam. Now, when we have reached here, then we apply this 125 Sutra. That the word three is replaced by Traya when Nam follows, provided its own meaning is predominant. Now, what does this mean? Provided its own meaning is predominant. So this is called Swartha Prayoga. For example, if I say a person who loves three, just three. So a person who loves three, let me put it like Priya three, something to that extent. So if you see here, in this Priya three Shabda, actually we are not focusing on three. The main thing one is focusing on is the person who is loving that three, those three objects or whatever it is. So this is a secondary usage, not a direct usage. So we are not actually discussing about the three. We are discussing about the person who loves three, those three objects or whatever it is. So in such a scenario, we can't apply this sutra. But if we are just saying, let's say just 3, let's say Trayah Janaha. Yeah, if we say that Trayah Janaha, which means 3 persons. So here we are using 3 in its own sense, which means 3. So when we are using 3 in such sense in its own meaning, when its own meaning is predominant, then 3 is replaced by Traya when Nam is following. So this 3 gets replaced by Traya, and then Vamanasya Trivikramonami, we make it Trivikrama, and then Rasha Riddhibhyanasena Traya Nam. So we get Traya Nam. So Trayaha, Trin, Ityadi. Only Bahuvachana forms. Then, yeah. But when the meaning of 3 is not prominent or predominant, then we can't apply that. So Priya 3 means for whom 3 are dear. So here 3 becomes secondary, and the person to whom 3 are dear, it becomes predominant. So in such case, we don't replace 3 by Traya, we just decline it normally. So Priya 3 Yukt Am, we just note, then Vamanasya Trivikramonami Ityadi. So Priya 3 Nam. Priya 3 Nam. Okay, so we'll resume on Tuesday, and yeah, please work out with the sutras, the pratyas, the forms, declensions. It might be a bit easy now, but as we move ahead, it will start becoming, I would say difficult, but many more concepts will come in. So a lot to do ahead. And when it comes to Akhyata, then
Gone.
then Akhyata is then we'll really appreciate this chapter.
That's true, bro.
Oh, Shabda Prakaranam was so easy. Okay, so we'll resume on Tuesday. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Rohit.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Jai Mayapur Dham.